back to the channel. If you're not new here, hi and welcome. Consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Okay guys, so today our video sponsor is Landot. Okay, ring. And they were kind enough to send me over their straightening comb. You guys, I've been eyeing this product for a little minute because I've been seeing the girls using this product to straighten their hair. So when I say when they hit me up like right on time, and if I had a ball one, I'm not even sure if I would have came across theirs, but I am so happy and thankful that they contacted me because theirs is bomb, like bomb. Y'all saw how I was looking when I came on this camera, okay? Y'all saw that for real? Y'all saw that for real? Y'all, I have very thick hair. My hair is thick. I told y'all, if you're not new here, how I have been struggling with my hair postpartum, and it still ain't right, girl. It still ain't right, but I feel like I'm on the road to recovery, okay? I'm on the road to recovery. It's trying to bounce back. This had no problem getting through my fro, okay? This had no problem getting through my hair. This performed better than my hot comb. I have an Andy's hot comb, and this did 10 times better than my hot comb. Believe it or not, y'all, I hot combed my hair yesterday. I hot combed my hair yesterday, but y'all saw how I was looking at that. Y'all saw how I was looking at that. And I hot combed it with that Andy's, and y'all saw how it was looking when I got on camera. I am in love. I don't know if it's the bristles. Something just really get into it. I don't know. Something just gets into it. I think by the bristles not being so closed in and tight like how a hot comb is. You know, like a hot comb, the teeth are pretty much similar to this. You can buy some that the teeth are like a little wider. But I feel like it's something about this brand being like in a paddle brush style that really gets every single strand. And y'all saw, at first, you know, I didn't really know how to go about it, so I was taking small pieces of hair and just going. I was like, wait, this is a big boy. This is a big boy right here. So I started just doing chunks, and then I stopped doing chunks on this side. I did chunks on this side, and on this side, I just straight flat ironed, just straight went through and flat ironed, and it did the job. My life has changed. I am changed. I am forever changed. My life has changed. I even tried to bump my hair a little bit, and it actually bumped it enough to, you know, where I like it. I don't really be liking all that tight, you know, Easter Sunday type curls. I don't be liking all that. But it gave it the little that I was looking for, just so that it's not just super flat. But yeah, I am so impressed with this product. I opted to get the kit. They do sell it where you can just get the brush by itself. I did go in with some of my straightening mist. Yeah, I got a little nervous at first because I haven't used this in such a long time because I had my hair put up, so I haven't used this in such a long time. And then I'm not even 1000% sure if this is the one that I had before, but this was the Garnier Fructis Flat Iron Protector with argan oil, and it's safe to protect your hair up to 450 degrees, and I had mine up to 450 degrees, so it's just a heat protectant. Like I said, y'all, I am bouncing back from after having that baby last year, and yeah, I'm just trying to get her back right. So I washed her. I had my husband clip my ends because I can't see, you know. I did a little bit and then had him go back through and do the rest. And yeah, so this is what I'm working with. Believe it or not, y'all, after I had my baby last year, I cut my hair. I kind of had to. I don't know if I had to, but I felt like I did because my postpartum shedding was just so heavy. I had cut it, and yeah, I had cut it like to like up here. It was like barely bracing, like barely touching on my collarbone. So it's past the collarbone now, which is a good sign, you know, that it's trying to get itself back together. My edges are still struggling. I never dealt with my edges falling out, and they're I don't know if I need to just RIP them, or if they will come back. I just don't even know. But the thickness is still there, and this did it. Like, this got through. Like, I am so impressed with this. I'm so impressed. Y'all, another thing I want to note, and I do have a con too. Another thing I want to know too, by the controls being right here on the paddle, as I was brushing, like straightening my hair, I didn't even find my fingers like pushing buttons on here. Sometimes I hate when the buttons are like in the way of where your fingers would be, because you could accidentally hit them. On this, I did not accidentally like hit nothing, and I wasn't even like mentally trying to be careful not to hit nothing. It's just the way that either I was holding it, or the way that you would hold it, because you wouldn't really hold it all the way down here. You kind of would, you know, be a little close to like the tip of this. So yeah, me using this wasn't turning anything off either. Y'all, this thing heat up super fast. The moment you turn it on, it's already going all the way up. And I mean, it heats up really fast. I like that. My only con, I cannot get to my roots as close as I would like. If they came out with like a mini of those that was small enough so that you could get close to your actual like roots, that would be bomb. Because y'all, I'm all natural. I'm all natural, and yeah, I'll be needing to hit these. Okay, these roots got to get hit. And on top of my hair just already naturally just being on the thicker side, yeah, I really need to get as close to the scalp as possible, and these big bristles didn't really do that. I think that is really my only con, that I couldn't get as close to my scalp as I like. Now, it's weird because when I feel this on my scalp, like I felt the bristles literally touching my scalp, but I don't know, I can't really explain it. I just want to like get in there like how a comb can, and just really get into the part. Because see, like you almost can't even see my part. You know, you almost can't even see the part because of my roots. So that is just one thing that I would like to see down the line. I do feel like, y'all, I'm just sitting here, I'm not even doing nothing, and I feel like my hair is like trying to blow up. This is why I don't wear it out, but it's gonna work. You're gonna love it. You're not going to regret it. Take my word for it. And if you're not new here, you know I never steer y'all wrong with my reviews. Never. I never steer y'all wrong. I'm always going to be honest with y'all. Get this. It's going to change your life. I want to thank y'all for watching. I want to thank Landot for sponsoring today's video. Y'all check out that description box. And thank me later. Thank me later. And I'm going to catch you guys in my next one. Bye.